To get started, you want to take your button and then take the ends of your cords and thread your cords onto your button. And once you've threaded both your cords on, you want to pull enough of your cord out at one end so that it will comfortably go around the ankle, and you want to accommodate for the buttonhole as well. You want to attach your button to the top of your board, and you want to take your two shortest cords and you want to clip these to the bottom of your board. So then you want to take your longest cords, you want to work with one at a time. So you're going to take it over the shortest cords and then pull through, and then you want to work under the shortest cords and pull through, and then you're going to drop this cord and take this one, and I'm going to work over every time I switch. And you want to do the same thing that you just did with your other cord. So you want to go over and then pull through, and then you want to go under and pull through. And then again, drop the cord you've just been working with, take your other cord and then work it over the top of this cord, and then work over and through, and then under and through. And then drop this one and do the same thing again with this cord. And you want to keep repeating these two steps until you've got the anklet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the anklet as long as you want, you can unclip the cords from the bottom of the board, and this time you want to split them into two, but you're only going to be working over one at each side. You want to do the same thing that you did going down but not switching colours. So you want to go over and through and under and through, and just keep repeating this until you've got the buttonhole big enough. And how big you'll need it will depend on the size of your button, so it is a good idea to measure as you go along. And you want to do this with these two as well. So once you've done both sides of your buttonhole, you can just fasten them together by doing a couple of square knots at the bottom. And if you do have a shorter cord, you can just carefully work over that with a couple of your longest cords. So once you're done, you can remove your anklet from the board, and you can trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you prefer. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed anklet.